Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the best facing house plan G plus 1 staircase come list. Total part area is 2264 square feet and build-up area is 336 square feet and the ground floor. While entering into the main gate, there is a lift in the size of 6 feet 6 inches, and opposite in the southwest corner there is a staircase. And the car parking space is 22 feet 9 inches by 36 feet 9 inches. And in the southeast corner, bike parking space is there. In the size of 11 feet 9 inches by 15 feet. One bedroom is there in the southwest corner, 11 feet by 16 feet. And bed is placed in the south wall, and wardrobe is available in the west wall. And common toilet in the size of 6 by 4 is available. So this is in the ground floor. And then in the first floor, same lift 6 by 6 and balcony size is 16 feet 16 by 10 feet 6 inches. While entering into the main door, there is a living room in the size of 11 feet by 21 feet 6 inches. Kitchen is available in the southeast corner, in the size of 11 feet by 10 feet, and dining table also same 11 by 10 feet. And puja room is available in the southern side, the size of 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 3 inches, and store kitchen is attached with the store room in the size of 5 feet by 4 feet 3 inches. Uh, and then kids bedroom is available in the northeast corner, the size of 11 feet by 16 feet. Kids bedroom bed is placed in the east near the east wall, and wardrobe is placed in the south wall. And common toilet is available in between the kids bedroom and guest bedroom in the size of 11 feet by 4 feet. Here commode is placed in the north side facing south, and then guest bedroom is kept in the northwest corner in the size of 11 feet by 11 feet. Here bed is in the south side and wardrobe is in the west side. So in first floor there is a 3 bedroom, so 3 BHK house plan with one attached and one common toilet. So total built-up area of this first floor plan is 1,622 620 square feet. So this is G plus one vegetation house. If you like this plan, please comment, like, comment, and share it. Also subscribe our channel. For more house plans like this, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and www.houseplans.world. Our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, plan nest and design nest. Thanks for watching.